Hello and welcome to Aurelian University. In this video, we're going to discuss how to have a basic conversation in Arabic. We'll go over the dialogue sentence by sentence and master each word and phrase on our way. Let's study the conversation sentence by sentence. Does it need more salt? هي محتاجة ملح زيادة. هي محتاجة ملح زيادة. I think it needs more herb. أظن إنها محتاجة بهارات زيادة. أظن إنها محتاجة بهارات زيادة. But what about the macaroni? طب والمكرونة. طب والمكرونة. Oh, it's perfect. رائع. رائعة. Now we're going to go over the phrases again, but this time with the Arabic coming first. Let's read the conversation again, this time starting with Arabic. هي محتاجة ملح زيادة. هي محتاجة ملح زيادة. Does it need more salt? أظن إنها محتاجة بهارات زيادة. أظن إنها محتاجة بهارات زيادة. I think it needs more herb. طب والمكرونة. طب والمكرونة. But what about the macaroni? رائعة. رائعة. Oh, it's perfect. So now we have a good chunk of very helpful phrases and words in colloquial Egyptian Arabic. You should keep rewatching this video until you've mastered all the phrases and words in it. Also, do await our coming videos in this course. Thank you for watching Aurelian University.